Are you struggling to get members active and engaged in your site? This is a common problem that we run into when people are building their LearnDash and their BuddyBoss sites. And it's because they kind of got to stand back. When I'm an instructor, I want to say I'm contaminated because I know too much about my topic. And we have to put ourselves in the shoes of the person who's buying from us. And this can be kind of a challenge because we've already solved the problem that they're trying to solve. And so we have to go there, try to forget everything that we know, which is really difficult. And what I find is the best way to do that is to start talking to the people who are currently using your site and are really engaged and enthusiastic about it. Ask them what was the thing that they were trying to solve when they first started using or looking for your program. And it's important to do that because you want to understand how they think about it, how they talk about it, so that you can go and bring those kind of people addressing those same issues to your program. And this is really critical. We've got a program for doing that. I'm more than happy to share that with you. I'll offer you a 30-minute call. On the house, there's no charge for that. And I'll share with you some of our ideas. And it could be a great way to increase the engagement, increase the activity that you have going on your membership site.